Alright, so this is the status of my new project. Still have some stuff to do. So down here, I got my FCI MS-6 post station here, and now I also have my my Silent Knight PS-DATK post station. I've been wanting to install this on the setup alongside with my MS-6. So as you can see, I still have some stuff to do in order for it to be finished. Still gonna be the same with the power source of 9-volt batteries, just like this setup. But I'm gonna see if I can find some very good ones that'll last for a while. Because to me, the batteries in this setup died out. I've been testing it and it just doesn't want to work. But here's the status of my new setup. Still have a lot of work to do. I still need to see what I could do. But here's a question that I want to know. Can the system sensor MHW mini horror work on this? Because I read that this is designed to work with a control panel, but obviously I don't have one, so I just want if anyone can answer my question, if this can operate with the setup with no control panel. So if you guys can answer my question, that will be helpful. And that's pretty much it for this update. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on here and how far am I on it. Since I already have these post stations installed, I don't have to worry about anything from here anymore. I just have to work on this side, and that's it. I'm still thinking about putting another junction box here, but if I put another one of these lockers down here, is that gonna impact this lock or not? If it had a knockout right here, then I would have been able to just put it right here. But obviously I don't even know if I could knock this one out, since it hasn't been, it's not like this. So I'm gonna have to see what I could do. But that's my plan, to install another junction box here. But overall, our project is going good. Everything is moving along, and very soon I will be having fun pulling these and sending off fire alarms here. So thank you guys for watching, and again, if you did enjoy this video, then just give it a like and comment what device do you want to see here. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.